Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because this change is system level. Open Settings, tap General, then scroll to Keyboard. This takes you directly to typing controls. Once done, confirm you're modifying the correct user profile or device if you share an Apple ID. Make sure Airplane Mode isn't interfering with iCloud keyboard sync. If it is, disable it briefly. Now you're at the keyboard options, ready to turn off specific text correction features so your typing behaves predictably. You'll now turn off the features that change your words. Toggle autocorrection off to prevent the system from replacing words automatically. This stops unexpected edits. You can also disable predictive to remove word suggestions and check spelling to stop red underlines. Each choice reduces interference. Once you've set those toggles, type in notes to test behavior, make sure the settings applied, and that autocorrect no longer replaces your words. If you want minor formatting fixes, keep smart finish by verifying the change actively. Open messages or notes and type naturally. You should see no automatic replacements now. If the setting didn't stick, restart your iPhone to force system refresh, then recheck the toggles. As a last resort, go to Settings, General Reset Keyboard Dictionary to remove learned corrections, but be aware this erases personalized entries. If problems persist, check for iOS updates, because software bugs sometimes affect keyboard behavior and updates often fix them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.